New outer tie rod installed. New stab link installed. New front strut installed. Gotta tighten up them top bolts, 35 pounds per square inch. Tighten down the brake clamp, put that joint back together. That's all you gotta do. Undo it from the old one and reassemble it with the new one with a 10 millimeter and this little clip. Pull the clip out with some wrenches, pliers. Need a 17 millimeter and what size is this joint right here? I don't know. I can't see it. But you need one of those for the center. For the center of the stab link. So you can stabilize it while you tighten the nut up with a 17 millimeter. I use one of my long ratcheting joints. Made it easy. Shit, we got them done though on this side. Let's move over to the other side. The rear's already done. We got the rear strut and rear stab link installed, or rear shock rather. It's early and it's cold. Yep,